Hello everyone, this is Meera and this is Peter. They want to go to beach this summer. Mom said we would go to the mountain camp this summer because beach is such old hat. Yes, today we are going to see an interesting idiom, old hat. Old hat. What is the meaning? Not very new, quite old, uninteresting. What is the origin? An old hat is dusty, dirty, and is not very fashionable to wear. People usually prefer replacing old and unfashionable things with new ones. So, we say that anything which is not new and now uninteresting is old hat. Now, do you understand the idiom old hat? Thank you.